This Etsy shop earned over $20,000 in revenue last month by selling digital downloads for invitations and party decorations. Let me start by showing you the Etsy shop, and then I'll show you how. Here is the Etsy shop. As I mentioned, they sell invitations and party decorations that are all digital downloads. Their monthly revenue was $23,842. And since these are all digital downloads, there's no cost of services or shipping. Start by creating a free Canva account and then creating an invitation in Canva. Once the product is where you like it, you'll click Share and then click Template Link. Next, create a Google Doc with the Canva template link in it. Download this as a PDF and then go post the product on the Etsy shop. And once the person orders it, they will receive that PDF as the digital download. Now rinse and repeat that as many times as you like with digital downloads for other party invitations or decorations. Follow me for more ways to make money online. I share them here daily.